I'm sorry. Go ahead. Let me let you finish. I'm sorry.
I was just gonna say, man, I put my heart into it, but I must admit, man, you said it was an easy read and that kind of thing. I appreciate hearing that so much because it felt easy to write, James. Like when I was, it kind of poured out of me. I don't really know how to describe it. The best way I know how to describe it, it felt like. Let me give you two examples. It felt like a water stream, like coming through me, if that makes any sense at all. It was like fluid like that. It wasn't forceful, it wasn't rushing, it wasn't a type of water that knock anything over. It wasn't a trickle. It was like a fluid flow. That's the first thing. And then the second thing, like when I was getting all the ideas about it, like all of the imagery and the extended metaphor about the bike and how it relates to life and how simple it is, but how, like, I'm gonna say it's profound, but please understand that I'm not saying that my ideas were so profound. I'm saying I felt like it was given to me, if that makes any sense. Kind of like Neo in the Matrix. So if any of y'all listening to this ever watched the Matrix, and Neo was like blinking his eyes and put the thing in the back of his head, and he was like, "Boom, I got this," or "Boom, I understand X, Y, Z." That's what it felt like. It literally felt like some sort of download. And when I was putting it out, I was typing. It was like the most easiest fluid flow until I hit a wall. And we'll talk about that wall later. But I definitely hit a wall. Like, boom, and I couldn't finish it. Yeah.
How long did it take you to actually write the book?
That's embarrassing, man. Because given everything I just said, you would think it was like in and out. I wrote 80% of the book at one time within a week and a half. 80% of this entire thing was just. I mean, it was just like part of what made me stop was like I got kids and all that other kind of stuff. It was like it's time to make dinner. It's time to get somebody out the bathtub. You know, it's time to whatever. So, but like outside of that, like even when I would get up, it was like I would get another piece. It's like I had to get up and move my legs and let that blood circulate. And it was like, here's another download. Here's another piece. You know, it was such an easy thing, man. That was in 2012. I published it in January of 2018. So why the heck
Oh wow!
with something that was such an easy download, fluid flow, that started in 2012 not get published until 2018? Because I hit a wall. I hit a wall, man. And like I said, I got 80% of it out. And then it was like I couldn't finish it. And the book wasn't even, when I say I couldn't finish it, it wasn't like I couldn't get the conclusion or I couldn't get the last chapter. I had the entire book laid out, but it was small bridges and transition pieces and nuggets in each of the segments of the book that I knew that part wasn't complete yet. That part I couldn't complete it. It's like I couldn't link it. So I had like this chain laid out that should have been strong and thick and mighty and long, that had links in different segments that were missing. And I would try to pick it up and write, and I couldn't. I was stuck. I was stuck in my own cycle, bro, to be honest with you.